Hey guys, Kyle here. I just wanted to make a quick follow-up video to my previous video. If you were watching it, you may have noticed it abruptly cuts out. I made a beginner mistake and totally forgot to check the battery on my camera, and as a result it died partway through filming. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick follow-up and show off some of the parts that were installed on the Venture FJ. So first up we have the exclusive RC snorkel for the Venture. This piece has the option to either be glued on or it can be mounted with two 3mm screws. I personally chose to go with the gluing method. I used some E6000 I had and glued that to the fender. I guess my hope there is that it will have some flexibility in the event of a rollover versus screwing it in and having the screws possibly ripped out or breaking the print. Next is the 3D door handles, again by Exclusive RC. These mount with two, I believe they're 2mm screws on the inside with a washer. I'm terrible at lining things up, so I used the stock decals that came on the body as sort of guides to mark my holes, and then drilled through and bolted them up. I'm happy with the way they came out. They seem to be lined up pretty well. Other than that, it's a pretty simple and straightforward install. And finally we have the Exclusive RC rear tire carrier with Rotopax carrier. This piece was again a pretty simple install. You reuse the swivel from the stock carrier, and it just bolts the new exclusive piece right there. That the only issue that I encountered with this was where the swing arm mounts. In there, I don't know if it's focused. Yeah. Okay, so right in there on the stock, with the stock configuration, there's a little tiny tab on the bumper itself that you have to cut or shave off in order to get the exclusive piece to line up and slide down enough to get the body clip through. Other than that, no complaints about it. It seems pretty sturdy, and I like the adjustability. The pack mounts. There's two screws. You can't see them right now, that allow you to adjust how far in or out the mounts go. So you can adjust for various sized tires on the spare. Alright, so those are the most recent updates with the Venture FJ. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I apologize if it's a little rough. As I said before, I'm used to being behind the camera and not in front of it. But one of my goals for 2018 is to do a few more of these types of videos for everyone, and hopefully you guys will enjoy them, and I'll improve as we go. And thanks for watching, and catch you out on the trails.